Hey, first grade mathematicians, it's Mrs. Gady, and here we are again together on a Tuesday. My video today is called Number of the Day, and I was feeling like we've been missing out on some of our number corner activities that we would do every day in class, so I found something that I put on Seesaw that will help us practice because they're super cool and very important math skills. Oh, that math. All right, here we go. So in Seesaw today, your activity template is going to look like this, but you are going to have the number 47 written right there in the middle. That's your special number of the day. But for me and my example, I'm changing the number. I'm going to use the number 23 instead. So I like to use my eraser, and then I just go over here and erase what I did. And then I like to go back and use my pen. The pen is easier for me than the pencil for some reason. So I'm going to write in the number of the day for my example. All right, 23. So I would do this part in the middle first. It looks like a big plus sign. Does it look at all familiar to you? Oh yeah, it's taken straight from the 120 chart. Look at this. They want the number that's 10 less. They want the number that's 10 more. They want the number that's 1 less and the number that's 1 more than 23. So jumping up on a 120 chart makes the number get smaller by 10. So what's 10 less than 23? Ho, ho, ho. Shout it out. 10 less than 23 is, that's right, 13. Then down here, jumping down on the 120 chart makes the number get bigger by 10. So what number is 10 more than 23? Oh yeah, 33. You got it. Okay, then you will be doing 1 less and 1 more as well. Okay, then I'm going to go over here and work on this part. They want groups of 10s and they want groups of 1s, just like we do in Number Corner. I'll give you that number and I'll say, okay, kiddos, show me on your fingers. If I give you the number 23, how many groups of 10? Do it right now. Oh yeah, that's right. Did you get 2? There's 2 groups of 10s. Now, on your fingers right now, watching this video, show me how many groups of 1 or how many 1s? Yes, 3. You got it. So they want you to write down the amount of 10s in a 23. That's the 2. And they want you to write down the amount of 1s that are hanging out in the number 23. That's the 3. So you write that right there. And in class, I know we proved that with our popsicle sticks that were bundled together in groups of 10 and then the separate ones. Sometimes I do some magic and make the numbers change. All right, let me just show you what I mean. I don't have popsicle sticks, but I'll just draw a picture real quick. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a group of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a group of 10. We have 2 groups of 10. Boom. 10 plus 10 is 20. And then 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. That's a picture to prove this. You don't need to draw the picture in the activity. I'm just, showing you because I'm a teacher. You just need to fill in the 10s part and the 1s part. Then over here, this yellow part, it's got these greater than and less than and equal to signs. And I'm just going to be honest, when I look at them, I still get confused about which one's the greater than and which one's the less than. And I'm a teacher, so don't feel bad if it happens to you. This one I know for sure. Equals, the same as. I know that's the equals. But then, here, let me move me over a little. See this one? Is it greater than or less than? I don't remember, but it kind of doesn't matter, because when you put it as an equation, watch what happens. I mean, I'm going to tell you, it actually, this one means less than, and over here, this one means greater than, but watch what I do. So right here, they're looking for a number that 23 is less than some number. Did that make sense how I just said that? I don't know. Let me show you a picture. This is what I mean. 23, here's that symbol, is less than some number. See, when you put the 23 on one side and then some, let me move me over here, and some number over here on that side, it's easier to say it. Now, because look at this, is that big alligator mouth, and it's going to be eating the bigger number, so this bigger number needs to be here. So 23 is less than this number. And guess what, kiddos? You have lots of choices, in fact, an infinite amount. There are so many numbers that are greater than 23, or 23 is less than so many numbers. I'm just going to say that 23 is less than 24. 23 is less than 24. 23 is less than 24. Now, over here, that's the greater than sign. So watch this. I'm going to use my eraser again, and I'm just going to, where's my eraser? There it is. I'm just going to erase that, and I'm going to erase the 24, and I'm going to write in the greater than symbol this time. So 23 is greater than, see, they match, greater than some number. 23 is bigger than some number. What's it going to be? Lots of choices again. In fact, an infinite amount. I think I'm just going to write down the number 20. 23 is greater than 20, so I'd put a 20 right here. Now right here, the equal sign, 23 is equal to what? What? Oh yeah, 23. They're the same number. 23 equals 23. Okay, so this is this part up here. Remember, less than, 23 is less than some number, and 23 is greater than some number. Moving right along to this spot right here, see this equation and this equation? Oh yeah, show me two ways to make the number 23. We do that in Number Corner all the time, every single morning. Give me two equations, give me even three equations. Check it out though, first graders. This is an addition equation. There's the plus sign. And this is a subtraction equation. That's the minus sign. Be careful. Remember, go slow, use your eyes, make sure that you're looking at those symbols carefully. So you make it up, kiddos. What number plus another number will equal 23? I'm just going to write that here. Just so you remember, you're making the special number. And what number minus another number will equal 23? And I know in my class, oh, do you remember this? My kids, when they were making equations, they'd start doing things like this. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. They loved it. I mean, I do too, because it's working with tens. But for this activity today, they're only giving you 2 spaces. That's what you get to work with. All right, and last but not least, down here is the tens frame. You're showing a picture of 23, kind of like I did right there. I like to use my highlighter for that. And I'm just going to mark in my tens frame 23 dots. And I know that each rectangle is worth 10, the 5 and the 5, so I'll go kind of fast. Look at 1. I better change my color though, make it darker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one tens frame. for one group of 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, two groups of 10. And then 1, 2, and 3, 21, 22, 23. I showed a picture of 23. Done with the activity. I know this one might take a little bit of time, especially when you're using the pen or pencil on Seesaw. That's okay. It's math. I love it. If you need to do this on a piece of paper instead, wonderful. Just take a picture of it so that I can see it, and Mrs. Taylor can see it, and Miss Klein can see it. All right, my friends. Until tomorrow. Bye-bye.